I'm going to do this one differently that's done in the key. And what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to say let u equal the root of x minus 1. And what would you get? You would get 3u minus 4 over u is equal to 4. And that's actually simpler for me to do. But I'm not going to say it's going to be easy. I'm going to multiply both sides by u now. So it's going to be 3u squared minus 4 equals 4u. And then I'm going to do this over here. So 3u squared minus 4u plus 4. I'm sorry. I misspoke there. I got to back up. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Right, let's see how I did in that. So 3u minus 4 over u equals 4. Multiply both sides by u. 3u squared minus 4 equals 4u. Subtract 4u from both sides, and I get this over here. And again, I'm always saying, give it a shot. What do you get over here? 3u, u, 0. Well, let's see. I'm going to say 2 and 2. And what would you get over there? I'd say minus plus, but I was going to check it. 3u squared, you get minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Works beautifully. So what do I get? I get u equals 2, or I'm sorry, I shouldn't write that down. Let me put it over here. Or 3u plus 2 equals 0. So, I'm going to say u could be 2, or u could be minus 2/3. All right? So the problem with this over here, I hope you realize that this is out of the question. Because what do we have over here? We have this. There's no way the square root of x minus 1 would equal minus 2/3 in a real number system. So I got one to do now. There's only one problem now. What do I got? I got this. I have 2 equals the square root of x minus 1. And, kind of looking at it, I'm pretty sure we can do that. And I got to check this out, though. I'm wondering what the answer is over there. I definitely see 5. But I want to do this. This is 4 equals x minus 1. And then you get x is 5. That's the only answer I get for that. And I'll look at their work later, by the way. I want to check it. And I do have that answer as the only answer down there. But if I do that, what do you get? Again, I check it over here. And again, I just found 5. What do you get there? 3 root 4 minus 4 root 4 is equal to 4. Well, this gives me 6. This gives me 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And that does equal 4. Now, notice that when I did it this way, I get one answer. And they got 2 answers. All right. One is extraneous, by the way. I want to point out what I mean by that. There's only one answer to the problem. But the way they did the problem, right? I think they're different than I did it. Let me erase my work. We're done with this. I like the method that I did there the best because it's the easiest for me to do. I want to go through their work. But again, my answer stands, x equals 5. And I want to point out what they did. They multiplied both sides by the LCD, which is the root x minus 1. That's a very dangerous thing to do, by the way. But it's easy if I'm not worried about it. And what do you get? You get 3 x minus 1 minus 4 equals, let's see, what would you get over there? 4 root x minus 1. And I'll tell you why they have 2 answers in the problem. Is because they squared both sides. And squaring can introduce an extraneous answer, which this would be an extraneous answer. All right, what do you get over here? Let me just simplify it. You're going to get 3x minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. This is 4 root x minus 1. I'm going to square both sides. You get 9x squared minus, well, let's see, 21 and 21, 42, plus 49. Then you can get 16x minus 16, 9x squared minus 58x plus, let's see what you get over there, 65 equals 0. Let me just go through that. Whoops, sorry about that. Didn't mean to do that. Am I seeing that? I'm seeing that. And again, this is the way they did it. Or actually, this is the way I did it, again, a long time ago. All right? So what do? Identify the A, identify the B, identify the C, use the quadratic formula. And again, I want to point out by squaring both sides, I introduce an extraneous solution to the problem. If you go back and check it, it does not work in the problem. The only one that works, as we stated, is 5. Again, my initial take on this was I found it easier to make a substitution. Someone says, why'd you make a substitution and not the other ones? I clearly saw that this was the same in both terms. It's the root of x minus 1. Makes it easier just to substitute if I can. All right? Thank you.